My name is Juan Carlos Huerta, I'm exterior designer, and in the last years I've been working on the design of the new RS3. The car has got an incredible technology, an extraordinary good package, and we had to communicate that also in the exterior design. We have a black mask that communicates both lights, bringing a new graphic design to the front, really innovative, a really specific light signature with a really interesting animation, coming home, leaving home. The wheels are really impressive. 19-inch wheels, the design is really racing orientated. In the side, of course, we can see the car is wider, 33mm in the front, so of course we've got a new fender that connects perfectly with the new and specific rocker panel. Really interesting and attractive, it communicates this motorsport DNA to the customer. We can see clearly how in the rear end several elements are playing a game that is mixing technology and design. We have a spoiler and a diffuser that they both work together to improve the aerodynamics of this car. In the rear bumper, of course, really dominant the two oval exhaust pipes like is typical from every Audi RS. With the application of amazing materials and colors like the carbon fiber, the interior communicates perfectly with the exterior. With a specific RS3 interface like every Audi, it's totally driver-oriented. The combination of all those features creates the ultimate racing experience.